Today we found some amazing animals, all covered in sticky, gooey mud. From the roaring lion to the jumping kangaroo, and even a tiny clownfish, they all need a bubbly bath. Let's clean up the muddy dog, rinse the roaring tiger, scrub the silly crab, and make each one shiny and happy again. Get ready for muddy fun and clean surprises. Dogs give birth to live puppies. The mother keeps them warm, feeds them milk, and helps them grow strong. Cheetahs give birth to cubs who are born with closed eyes. The mother hides them in tall grass to keep them safe. Kangaroo babies are called joeys. They are born very small and live inside their mother's pouch until they grow bigger. Tigers have cubs in a quiet, hidden place. The mother feeds them milk and protects them from danger. Lionesses give birth to cubs and hide them for a few weeks. Later, the cubs join the pride and learn to live with others. Bears give birth during winter in dens. Cubs are small and stay with their mother for warmth and milk. Giraffes give birth while standing. The baby quickly learns to stand and walk just hours after birth. Clownfish lay eggs on rocks. The father fish guards the eggs until tiny babies hatch and swim away. Zebras give birth to foals that can walk and run soon after birth. They stay close to their mothers. Sheep give birth to lambs in quiet places. Lambs can walk soon and drink milk from their mother. Seals give birth to pups on land or ice. The mother feeds the baby with milk until it's ready to swim. Crabs lay eggs in water. The tiny baby crabs hatch and float in the ocean until they grow. Lobster. Lobsters carry many eggs under their tail. When the eggs hatch, the tiny babies swim away on their own.